In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to figure out product pricing for your Ecwid store. Now, pricing your products correctly is a vital step in maintaining and growing your business. It not only affects your sales, but also impacts your brand's perception in the market. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together, ensuring you get your pricing just right. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Ecwid control panel. This is your main dashboard where you'll manage all aspects of your online store. Simply open up your browser, head to Ecwid, and log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you should land on your store's dashboard. This is essentially your store's mission control from where you can oversee everything, including your product listings, sales reports, and much more. Now, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu, and we need to focus on the catalog section. Give that a click. The catalog is where you manage all of the products you offer for sale. It allows you to organize, adjust, and edit details pertinent to your products very easily. By entering this section, you're taking the first step towards adjusting your prices. Next, within the catalog menu, you'll see an option labeled Bulk Edit All. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to make widespread changes to your pricing without the repetitive task of editing each product one by one. Click on Bulk Edit All and a new interface opens, giving you a comprehensive overview of your product lineup. Here comes the part where you get to evaluate and adjust your prices. Scan through and locate the column labeled Price Papal. Clicking on this option will provide an organized list displaying the current pricing for all your listed items in Philippine pesos. This format allows you to see all of your prices at a glance and make adjustments as necessary without jumping back and forth between individual product pages. When adjusting your prices, keep in mind factors such as cost, competition, and desired profit margins. It's crucial to understand where your product fits in the marketplace and price it accordingly to remain competitive yet profitable. Once you've made your changes, remember to save the adjustments before exiting the interface to ensure your updated prices go live in your store. By following these steps, you'll have adapted your prices efficiently and effectively, ensuring they align with your current business strategy. Keep monitoring and revisiting your pricing strategy as your business grows and market conditions change. That's all for today's guide. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and remember, honing your pricing strategy can lead to greater business success. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.